is up, guys? Hector Bobadilla here from Bobadilla Adventures. Remember I told you yesterday I was going to Sedona, well, on the way over there right now, and we are here, Prescott, I believe, Prescott, and look this view, so beautiful. Nice place to chill. The weather is really nice, by the way, here, as you can tell. It is cloudy. Really nice, loving it. So yeah, I found a nice place, cat, I don't know, I'll check the name right now. So in today's adventure, I will be showing you what's freedom, and yes, it is a way, the one thing that you know that it is, but also there's another ways and some other stuff that you need to know. Alright, check this out, guys. Guess what happened? Alright, we went to eat at Denny's, and I got off of the car. I put my phone in on top of the car, and we just came out, and look what it is right there. It's still there. Isn't that cool? People is nice right here. They don't even, it looks like they don't steal from here. I left it right there. Isn't that cool? Nobody sold it, nobody got nearby, I guess. So that's pretty awesome, people. That's what happens when you get some freedom. Wow. What is up, guys? We got here to Slide Rock, Sedona. Look at this beauty. So guys, I would like to know what exactly is freedom for you. Could you let me know down in the comment below and see maybe different thoughts? See, to me, one of the reasons to be free is that, one, you need to free your mind of problems, worries, and meditate to be 100% sure of yourself. Hold on. So yeah, this is freedom.
There's always sky, rest your head.
Like, well, in Flagstaff, it was raining, thunder, and it's getting over here in Sedona. So I'm starting to hear the thunder.
This world can seem cold and gray, but you and I are here today, and we won't fade into darkness. No, we won't fade into darkness.
You need to believe in yourself to be free in your mind. Once you're free in your mind, you can be free in anything you want and you desire. I mean, tell me, isn't this a beauty? Oh my God. Well, I'm leaving. Well, peace, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks for coming along in this adventure with me. I'll see you next time in my next one. And remember, keep dreaming. Dreams come true. Peace. When I touch the water, it feels cold.